The animal kingdom is full of surprises, but nothing will prepare you for the lethal tactics and brutal behavior of these primate predators. From highly organized hunters that make generals look amateur, to venomous killers hiding behind adorable faces, these creatures redefine what it means to be wild. Today, we're stepping into a world of calculated chaos and fierce competition, where even the cutest primates hide dark, deadly secrets. So, grab a front row seat and stay tuned, because this is one wild ride you won't want to miss. Let's get into it. First up, the chimpanzee. These apes are often portrayed as playful, banana-loving pranksters, but when it comes to survival, they're anything but funny. When a hunt begins, they become a terrifying force of nature, transforming into one of the most sophisticated hunting teams in the animal world. Chimpanzees organize into hunting parties, each member playing a specific role. Scouts spread out to locate prey, often smaller monkeys like the red colobus. Once they have eyes on the target, the real strategy begins. Some chimps act as chasers, driving the prey towards ambushers waiting in the trees, an ambush more coordinated than a top-tier esports team. The attack is brutal. Chimps are known to catch their prey with astonishing precision, tearing apart their victims and sharing the meat to solidify alliances and strengthen social bonds. This isn't just a meal, it's a political strategy, a way to secure loyalty and power within the troop. And get this, research shows that the leaders of these hunts are often the most dominant males, reinforcing their status. It's like a real-life leaderboard, where only the smartest and strongest rise to the top. Next, the slow loris. At first glance, this wide-eyed primate looks like something straight out of a Pixar movie. But beneath that innocent facade lies a lethal secret: venom. The slow loris produces venom by licking a gland on its upper arm, mixing the toxin with saliva. One bite can cause extreme pain, allergic reactions, or even death, and the loris knows how to use it strategically. Need to ward off a predator? Bite. Competing with another loris for a mate? Bite. This adorable creature has a toxic trick up its sleeve, or should I say its mouth in. Their natural habitat, slow lorises aren't just defending themselves, they're ensuring that rival lorises think twice before stepping into their territory. It's as if they have an invisibility cloak and a poison dagger, ready to use at any moment. It's like if the game character you least expect has a one-hit KO move. Surprise mechanics at their finest. Oh, and here's a chilling fact. When a slow loris feels threatened, it raises its arms above its head in what looks like a surrender pose. But this is actually a defensive stance, ready to deliver a venomous bite. Talk about deceptive appearances. Moving on to the tanks of the primate world, mandrills and baboons. These guys are built like linebackers with a bite force that rivals top-tier predators. And those canines? They can grow up to 2 inches long, longer than a lion's teeth. Mandrills are not just about brute strength. They're highly intelligent, and their social structure is complex. Dominant males use their massive teeth to intimidate rivals and assert control. A simple grin from a mandrill is not an invitation to be friendly. It's a warning sign that you're about to have a very, very bad day. It's the primate version of accidentally pulling a boss in an MMO. Your whole squad is about to wipe baboons. On the other hand, are equally terrifying. They form troops that can number in the hundreds and are known to raid other primate groups for food and territory. And let's not forget, baboons have been documented fending off leopards. Imagine the audacity, taking on one of the top predators of the African savanna. These guys are territorial bruisers, capable of fighting off almost anything that dares challenge them. Whether it's protecting their young or expanding their territory, baboons operate with a brutal efficiency that's both fascinating and frightening. And finally, we have the tarsier, a creature that proves size isn't everything. Weighing less than a baseball, these little assassins are built for stealth and precision. Their massive eyes give them extraordinary night vision, and their ability to rotate their heads nearly 180 degrees makes them the perfect ambush predators. Tarsiers hunt at night, using those incredible eyes to spot even the slightest movement. And when they do, they pounce with deadly accuracy, snatching up insects, birds, and even small reptiles. Their leap is so powerful, it's like being caught by a tiny, furry ninja. Imagine you're playing a stealth game, and out of nowhere, this little guy appears and wipes you out. That's a tarsier for you. Instant rage, quit. Their hunting strategy isn't just about speed, it's about precision. A tarsier's leap can cover up to 40 times its body length in a single bound. Think about that. If humans had that kind of power, we'd be jumping over skyscrapers. So, there you have it, some of the most vicious primate predators in the world, each one armed with a unique set of skills that makes them masters of their domains. From the strategic hunts of chimpanzees to the venomous bite of the slow loris, these primates are a reminder that looks can be deceiving, and that even the smallest creatures can be lethal. If today's adventure left you in awe, or maybe a bit paranoid, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more wildlife wonders and deadly encounters lined up just for you.